Welcome back to another episode of I Got It New Reviews. I'm your host, Ray Daly. I Got It New Reviews is brought to you exclusively by Magic Box Productions. Today we are going to be reviewing America's #1 most loved incense brand, Incense Waterfalls. Relax and unwind. Now, to be fair, I've never heard of Incense Waterfalls. So is it America's #1 most loved incense brand? I don't know. But it's pure essential oils infused into every cone. They were cones! The Incense Waterfall Aromatherapy Kit comes with 100 free cones. It's for us to relax and unwind. Look at that. Very sensual. Over here we have the flavor, or scents I should say, rose, grapefruit, lavender, most popular, mint, rosemary, jasmine, where's Aladdin? Lemon, cinnamon, agarwood, frankincense, incense, peppermints, yes. Rose for tension relief, grapefruit, uplifting, lavender, stress relief, mint, decongestion. Rosemary quiets the mind, man. Jasmine is a sleep aid. Lemon, cleanse and purify. Cinnamon, mental focus. Agarwood relaxes your body. And frankincense for anxiety relief. Wonder if that's why they brought it to the baby Jesus. Anxiety relief. Incense Waterfalls, the most beautiful way to relieve stress and anxiety. Step 1, pick the cone. Pick one of the free cones included in every order and place it on top of the incense base. Step 2, light it up. Gently light the flame to activate the essential oils in the incense cone. Step 3, enjoy the scent. Incense Waterfall will gently flow and cleanse the air. And sit back and relax. I think we're ready to open this bad mamba jamba up. It's a decent box. Got a lock. Open. Ooh, this looks nice. I'm assuming that is the package of incense. It feels like they were padded somehow. It's got a list of what's all on the front. None of these match. Hold on, we gotta go back to the box. Not complaining, I want to be clear. But rose, we have rose. Grapefruit, nope. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cents. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cents. So you'd think they'd match, right? Wrong. Lemon, got it. Lemongrass, that is a no. Apple, no. Rose, got 2 that match. Rosemary, got 3 that match. Orange, no. Tea tree, no. Lavender, got 4 that match. Lily, nope. And peppermint. Technically we have mint, not peppermint, but we'll let it go. So 5 out of 10 match. Not too good. America's #1 most loved incense brand. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Very, I don't know. Seems like weird Department 57 Christmas house packaging. Doesn't stink or anything. Made where? Nobody knows, but I think we can guess. Always incense responsibly. Keep away from children. Do not ingest. If ingestion occurs, seek medical attention. Never leave burning incense unattended. Always make sure you're using heat-resistant burners in a safe manner. Oh, guess what it doesn't tell us? We don't know where this is made. Yeah, we don't know. It doesn't say. There's no instructions with it. We're gonna set that aside. Let's open up our cones and see if this says. This doesn't say either, but zip-locked. So we're gonna pull this off. And oh, for crying, oh, there we go. Look at all these cones. Nice. Red. Okay, we have rose, tea tree. They're labeled, which is nice. Lemon. Doesn't look like any of them were crushed. Lavender. That's a Holyfield. Peppermint. Lily. Apple. Orange. Rosemary. And lemongrass. What should we burn? How about apple? Let's see. Oh, it smells good. It smells like when you were in high school or maybe a freshman and sophomore in college and you were pretending to be Buddhist. So you lit all the incense all the time. I don't get apple. What do you think? But it's incense. Okay, set it there. The instructions are pretty easy. Now, it doesn't say anything about putting water in it. It just says light it up and sit back. It's that 90s bong technology, man. All right, it's lit. Does anyone else see a problem? I see a problem. What's the problem, everybody? The incense smoke is not falling down. It's supposed to fall through that little hole there. See the little hole? It's supposed to fall through that. Let's see. It ain't happening. Okay, well, it's a neat incense holder. It smells like we all gonna get high. Got some real sticky, icky. Ooh, hand me a THC beverage. I'm not gonna drink. Yeah, that incense is not falling down. If you can see from the photo, one of these kids is doing their own thing. Now it's time to play our game. Lame game. It looks cool, it just doesn't work. Let's go. Walk to this side. Hold on. Oh my God, see, we had to get the THC, but it's starting to work. Once that THC kicks in, you're gonna see some serious shit. All right, it's the Incense Waterfall by America's #1 most loved incense brand. What do we give it? On a scale of 1 to 5, I mean, it's trying so hard to work properly. There it goes. Okay. Now, they didn't get the sense of the incense right, so that's one off right there. There is a lot of good looking incense in there. I don't know how natural it is because these colors are pretty potent. There's something weird because it takes it a while for it to fall, but now that it is falling, it does look cool. So, I don't know what the price was. It was a gift. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna have to give this a 3.5. If you get the chance to pick one up and you like burning incense, it's kind of cool. If the smoke doesn't go exactly where it's supposed to, no one's gonna cry, but it looks neat. That is going to do it. You have got it on I Got It New Reviews. I Got It New Reviews is brought to you exclusively by Magic Box Productions.